Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back with a new video. Oh, it feels so good to be back on YouTube, y'all. It feels so good. I am doing a review for the Dark and Lovely Blowout collection, and I received this package from Influenster. So this will be my first time attempting to like straighten my hair. So let's see how this goes. Please watch to the end, y'all. Watch to the end. So I am about, look at this hair. Horrible. So the Dark and Lovely Blowout is used to maintain. It is enhanced with natural ingredients that stops reversion in its tracks for a damage-free, life-proof blowout that lasts. Yes. So I am gonna go in with the Blowout Super Smooth Sulfate-Free Shampoo. And this shampoo is weightless. The wash is sulfate free. The shampoo cleanses the hair effortlessly without stripping the hair. Alright, so I'm just kind of lathering up my hair. I was washing my hair this way so you guys can kind of see. I'm not gonna lie to you, I didn't want to film. I was bent over in the tub, y'all. So yeah, anyway, look at this hair. Yeah, y'all, my hair has grown so much. And so yeah, once you wash out your shampoo, go ahead and towel dry your hair. That's so much better on your hair than using like a towel or anything like that. You don't want it to like snag your hair. So yeah, this is my hair. As soon as I like rinse out the shampoo, this is what it is. Looks like my curls are so loose in the back, very loose. They're a little bit looser in the front, and then in the middle it's thick. So this is the Blowout Moisture Treatment Deep Conditioner. So it's almost like a lighter weight of a mask. It was kind of thick, but it was also very soft. It wasn't super moist where it had a lot of slip. That's what I didn't like about it, because I was also attempting to try to detangle my hair. I like to detangle my hair when I have conditioner in it. So that was the only thing. So this is how I do it. So once I kind of detangle my hair, I split my hair in 4 sections, and then I detangle each section. But in one section I split it into 2, so it's so much easier to try to like detangle it. And then I twist it up, and I even rinse my hair out while my hair are still in twist. Then I just wrap it back up. This is what you have to do when your hair grows longer and longer. You have to do like smaller sections and smaller sections. So I'm just showing y'all again. This is another part, and then I twist it down. Yeah, and I'm like, look how long my hair is. Yeah. So after I conditioned my hair, I was using my t-shirt to like take some of the dampness out of my hair, because I'm going to go in with the Blowout Silky Slip Blow Dry Cream. And this cream is supposed to help like detangle your hair, and then it's supposed to make it easier and cause less breakage when you're using like your different hair tools and stuff. So yeah, so I just kind of put that back in my hair, and then make sure I just got my roots and my ends and all that. I just really wanted to go in. Yeah, y'all see I'm using gloves. Honestly, I think using gloves on your hair is probably the best bet, because when I'm not wearing acrylic nails and I'm wearing my real nails, my nails will snag against my hair and pull at my hair. It can even break my hair off, and even sometimes acrylic nails, you just never know. So it really is best to use gloves. Just use gloves. So this is my blow dryer. I think it's from Revlon. I ordered it off of Amazon one time. I'll put the link. I'll just put like the link to everything, or at least in the description box of what I'm using. But yeah, so that blow dryer makes it so much easier. Y'all, look at my hair. Y'all, I cut my hair in like 2 different places when I had my faux locks in. Yeah, let's not talk about that. So yeah, so I'm just blow drying my hair. Y'all, this is a workout. It's a workout, okay? Look at this. Okay, so now I'm going to use the Blowout Heat Shield. It's a hair primer spray, and it's supposed to protect your hair from heat damage up to 450 degrees from styling tools like your hair dryer, your flat iron, all the above. So that's what I put on my hair. But I also wanted to go with my main choice. I love this. It's called Doesn't Get Much Better Than This. It's really like a grease type of thing, or a hair product. But I also think it helps like straighten my hair out. It makes it a whole lot easier. See, I'm just flying through this once I put that on my hair. I just do a little bit, and it's like a hair butter, honestly, and it doesn't leave it too greasy. So that's what I like about it, and it helps your hair grow. It really does. Whew, look at my Diana Ross. Definitely giving me Diana Ross vibes without the zhuzh. Okay. Yeah, y'all, I was tired. I was so tired. So this is what I did. I plaited my hair in 4 sections and I was like, I'm going to sleep or I'm taking a break. So yeah, so when I woke back up, yeah, I was like, okay, I'm gonna try this straightening thing. I had bought this new flat iron. It came from Marshall's, not Michael's, Marshall's. But I don't think it did what it was supposed to give. It was not giving. Y'all, my hair basically looked like what it's looking like now that I'm combing it out. And I still put some of that on there before I straightened my hair. My hair wasn't wet or damp after that. But yeah, y'all just watch closely, just enjoy. Just enjoy. It was definitely a process. And I think I might have honestly went over my hair too many times on the flat iron. And y'all, this is the first time in years, probably 5-6 years, maybe even 7 years since I attempted to put a flat iron on my hair. So my hair has never been straightened. It's been blown out but not straightened. So yeah, I think it helped more with blowing my hair out versus making it straightened. I know I'm not using the proper products, but it just wasn't doing anything. Y'all, by this time, I literally was just trying to make my hair look like something. Yeah, I feel like I did so many things wrong with trying to straighten my hair. I'm just going to have somebody blow it out and cut my ends properly. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I definitely regret doing this. So once I finished straightening my hair, whatever I was doing, I went in with the Blowout Shine Gloss. It's a styling serum balm. It definitely is a balm. It was definitely giving me that lightweight oil grease feel. I thought it was supposed to help keep your hair straight and maintain it and just keep the flyaways down. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I don't think I knew what I was doing. Look at me. I'm going back through my hair. This is bad. This is bad. Oh my gosh. I mean, my hair looks so pretty, but look at my face. I was over it by this time, y'all. I was like, what in the world? I mean, I'm like, wow. I need my ends clipped so bad. Look at this. My hair is long, y'all. The longest my hair has ever been. Even natural. Waist length, I don't know. We'll see. Look at the disappointment on my face. Look at the disappointment. I don't know. That's what I'm thinking. This is what. Look at this. Just imagine what was going on in my head during this time. I can't do nothing but laugh. Oh my gosh. You know, I was trying to, like, you know, model a little bit. But yeah, I'm like, okay, well, look at my inches, you know. So anyway, I ended up going to bed, slept with my hair in 2 flat twists. Yeah. Yep, that's how I went to sleep. And this is how I woke up. I woke up like this. I wish. But yeah, so I was getting ready to go out this day. Me and BJ and Renaya. So I was just like, I gotta find something to do with my hair today. So I just took the twist out. My hair was super soft. It was really nice and fluffy, but I just felt like my hair just lost its body. So I was trying to find something to do besides like pull it back up and put it in a bun. I didn't want to put gel. I didn't want to put no added products. I was just like, maybe I'll figure this out later. So this is what I ended up creating. Yeah, I just need to go to a stylist to straighten my hair. I can do natural styles, but straightening it, I'm scared, y'all. So yeah, this is what I came up with. I just tried to, you know, fix the bun and fluff my hair a little bit, and just was like, I'll just go out here with this hairstyle for right now until I figure out the next step with my hair. But I probably won't be using these products again, honestly. Or maybe I won't say won't on my hair. Maybe like on my wigs or something like that, I'll use it on there. I think it'll probably come out way better. And I just might stick to just allowing somebody to straighten my hair. So yeah, so this is how my hair turned out. Thank you guys for watching this video and just sticking through to the end to see the results. It's not the product. I'm gonna blame it on me. It's me. But yeah, so you guys stay tuned for more episodes and new videos coming soon. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Thank you.